Come on now. Glitches everywhere. Okay. So first it says, write a system of equations that can be used to find the equation of this parabola. And it tells you the form, but we already know that. Anyway, f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, right? Now, you are going to use that to come up with a couple of equations. Okay, so what you're given are 3 points on this parabola. The points in no specific order are -2, -5, -1, -6, 1, 4. The order doesn't matter in how to solve this problem. And I want everybody to write this down, especially if you weren't able to do this problem, right? So my equation for the parabola is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So here you have, in each of the coordinates, you've got an x and a y. All right? So you use that to plug it into this equation right here. So with the first coordinate point, y is -5, and that equals to a times -2 squared plus b times -2 plus c. Correct? Yeah. The second one, y is -6, that's equal to a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus c. Last one, 4 is a times 1 plus b times 1 plus c. Okay? So the equations, if you write them in, like with the variables first equal the constants, it'll be 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to -5. A minus b plus c is equal to -6. A plus b plus c is equal to 4. These are the 3 equations for your system of equations. So for part A, this is the answer. Now, for part B, use matrices to solve the system of equations that you wrote in part A. Here, we have to do row echelon form, right? We have to put this in row echelon form and solve it. So 4 minus 2, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1, 1, -6, 1, 1, 1, 4. All right? You're going to solve it, put it in row echelon form, and was anybody able to come up with this matrix and solve it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, so Scotty, what did you get?
I got for x equals -2, y equals 5, and z equals -2.
Okay, now, yes, you get -2, 5, and -3, right? Is that what we got? Yes. However, what are the variables in your equations here? They're not x, y, z, they're technically a, b, c, right? So let's label those like that, a, b, and c. Now, 2, 5, -3. Where are we? Yeah, it's +2, 5, and -3. +2, 5, and -3. And those are A, B, and C. So in an honors class, I expect for you guys to label those properly as A, B, C, equal to this, this, this. And then C, the parabola then is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. And when you give your final answer, okay, I want to say like 60% of the time, students will just say this without the f of x equal to, and that's no good, right? Because you want an equation for the parabola. You want a function for the parabola. So whether you write y equals all that or f of x equals all that, it still has to be, dependent and an independent variable there, okay? So that is 54. Now, notice I carved out specifically an amount of time in class to go over this problem, right? This was like planned ahead. So Keep that in mind. The reason why I did it is because not only is this going to show up on your next assessment, but we're also going to revisit it in section 4. Okay? So it's all part of the master plan. Okay.
It always is.
It always is. There's always a plan.